I don't care what they say, I won't dare look
Ooh, look at that. No, since you caught the ball, like, seriously, this is a good question.
This is what is my I'm the dream catcher. Oh, the tables have turned. Yeah, oh my.
You caught the ball now.
I do.
You have to let us know what your dreams are.
You know what? I do have it because it's in the forefront of my mind and I rehearse it every day, especially in recent times that I realize how important it actually is. So my dream is to spread a message of prosperity to the world. And I believe that I was placed on this earth to be the biggest cheerleader for mankind that they have seen. I mean, you know, I'm not, besides Jesus, my role is to tell people and remind them how fabulous they are and how prosperous they are and the talents and gifts that they have, they were born with, and they should never forget that they should be using it to be a light in the world. That's my dream.
Perfect. And I felt that way having a conversation with you, so I could see how that dream is feeling.
Yes! Manifestation.
We are